Hello everyone, this is Lakhan Somani here to share my fight with coronavirus, my journey of COVID war. Friends, corona is a virus that has brought the lives around the globe at halt. It is the virus that has created a huge pause in our lives. So I suggest you don't take it easy. Well, here's my journey. To begin with, in the month of June, few things took a toll on my health, and immediately I was taken at my nani ke ghar there at Nanded. We stayed for 4 long weeks there at Nanded, and in the final week of our stay there, my nani's health got worse. We drove back to our home only to realize nani ke ghar mast aaram tha yaar, and here we have to work. However, we suffered from weakness working back at home after 4 long weeks of leisure. This was the very first sign and first symptom of us being infected with coronavirus. The very next day, I suffered from pharyngitis, and this was a major concern. Meanwhile, Nani's health got worse and she got to be positive when tested for COVID 19. Immediately next day, we three of us, I, my mother, Preeti, my sister, and I myself, got our rapid antigen tests done. The results were to be announced in 20 minutes, and trust me, guys, those 20 minutes of our lives felt like 20 hours. These 20 minutes were filled with full of mixed emotions that included anxiety, that included a hope of being negative. Anyways, results declared by doctor gave a shock to us. My mother got to be positive while I and Preeti were negative. Immediately, my mother was shifted to hospital, COVID center. However, we weren't convinced enough with the results of me being negative because if someone among us would have to be positive, that person would be me. That person should be me because apart from weakness that we all three suffered from, I was suffering from pharyngitis. To be exactly sure about this, I and Preeti immediately had our RT-PCR tests done. The results were to be declared the next day. So we got back home and were isolated in different rooms. That night was filled with full thoughts of regret. It was me whose health took a toll on. It was me for whom we travelled to Nanded. Then how come my mother be positive? Anyways, cut down to next day. The results of RT-PCR were declared late in the evening, 10:30 p.m. And there I got to be positive. I packed my bag, drove my bike, and got myself hospitalized by 11 in the evening. I got myself hospitalized there with my mother. But back at home, Preeti was left all alone as she was negative this time. You know, friends, what's the worst fact about this COVID war? You are left all alone. You are left all alone. चाहे तुम्हारी फैमिली हो, चाहे तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स हो, चाहे तुम्हारे रिलेटिव्स हो, no one is going to be there with you. No one, I repeat. Trust me, when I say this, I have experienced this. We are three people in our family. And there was a day where all three of us were isolated at different places. Not by our choice, but because of circumstances. You are left all by yourself. चाहे तुम 2 साल के हो, चाहे तुम 20 साल के हो, चाहे तुम 40 साल के हो, चाहे तुम 80 साल के हो, you are left all alone, all by yourself. You know what should be taken care of? You should not panic. You should not panic when you get to know that you are positive for COVID 19 tests. Instead, accept the fact that you are positive. Be a responsible human being. Get yourself hospitalized, get yourself treated, stay isolated, and be mentally strong. Mentally strong enough to eliminate all the negative thoughts that are processed in your mind. ध्यान दो इन बातों पर, किसी बुक से नहीं पढ़ रहा हूं. आई एम शेयरिंग हियर माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस विथ यू ऑल. The only thoughts that are processed in your mind when you are positive for COVID 19 are the negative thoughts. Only the negative thoughts. And it is you who has to overcome all those negative thoughts, and you have to believe that yes, you can live this life once again. Mark my words. You can be treated, you can be cured, you can recover. But what needs to be taken care is that you should not panic and be mentally strong. This is the virus that has cost human lives in great number throughout the globe. So basically, there is no positive effects of this virus so far. But to be precise in my case, to take out some positivity from being positive in COVID 19, here are these three facts. First, the fear and panic created by media in our hearts is vanished. Second, now my body has those antibodies that can fight with this deadly coronavirus. And third, both my mother and myself, we both are safe now. Well, here's my exact journey. On 29th of July, we were tested for COVID 19. The same day, my mother was hospitalized. On 30th, my tests were positive. The same day, I was hospitalized. On 6th of August, we got discharged. This day was गुरुवार. गुरु महाराज की इच्छा थी कि हमें उस दिन गुरुवार के दिन डिस्चार्ज मिले. Well, we were then hotel quarantined till 12th of August, and yesterday, on the great occasion of Gokul Ashtami, we got back to our home. We got back to Preeti. In the end, any event, any function, any post, or any journey is incomplete without you expressing your heartfelt gratitude for the people who have been with you day in and day out. It's important to acknowledge the efforts made by the people to stay in touch with you. A simple text message, a lame WhatsApp forward, a single phone call, or a miss you wala video call. Every single thing matters. Every single thing counts. Thank you everyone. Stay safe.